What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. Today we're going to be checking out a solar powered street light. This light was sent to me by Uponun. I don't know how to say their name, but you know, anyways, I'll put a link in the description on this product. This product sells for around 80 bucks on Amazon. Link in the description. There's Lainey, I think, over there. I see her. Anyways, she's trying to be all cool. She's photobombing in this video, but it's okay because we like her little pretty face. Anyways, let me go show you the box, open it up, and go over the specs on it. So here's the box. As you can see, I already opened it because I wanted to go ahead and charge it. So when you get this thing, you want to make sure it is off. You let it charge for 2 to 3 days before using. So just a note. So first things first, we got the instructions. And this is the box I already opened, so I can let it sit out a couple days. All right, so this is your solar powered street light. So one thing too, this does not come with a pole to mount it, but you can mount it onto a wall or something like that if you want to. So yeah, so check it out. It's pretty good size. This thing is a 10 amp 49 LED light. So it's supposed to be pretty bright. This has 2 different modes. It's got the cool white and the warm white, with the cool white being at 6,000 to 6,500K and the warm white being at 3,000 to 3,200K. Me personally, I like the warm. I don't know, I just don't like the cool whites. Makes my eyes feel funny. Another thing with this has got the 3.7 volt, 10,400 milliwatt lithium ion battery. So they say that this will last over 10 hours at 100% power and over 20 hours at 50% power. It is also waterproof, and yeah, so it should be bright, light up, you know, your backyard, the front yard, the side house. This does have a 6 volt 12 watt crystalline silicone solar panel. So if you're all wanting to know. So yeah, also let's see what else is in the box. Okay, the last things in the box is a remote, the mounting bracket without the pole, and a set of double or AAA batteries. All right, so you can turn your brightness up and down. You got half brightness and full brightness. You can manually turn your light off and on. You also got your cool white and warm white, and you can set a timer for 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. All right, guys, so when you turn it on, right in the center here will be a red light. If you push the auto button once, that will be a light sensing mode, so when it gets dark, the light turns on. And you click it twice, there should be 2 blinks. So 2 blinks means motion sensor. So this also has a motion sensor. And that's up to, I believe, 20 meters or so. I'm right, 20 meters, I remember. So one blink means this is light. It's got a light sensor, so when it gets dark, it is going to light up. 2 blinks, now it is, I just hit auto one more time. So 2 blinks means now it has a motion sensor. So it should turn on with motion, but of course it is light outside, so it's not gonna do its thing. So we're gonna try cool white. Oh, they gotta turn it on. Okay, so cool white. And we'll go ahead and try warm white. Look at me. And there it is. So you can see, there's the warm white, cool white. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna leave this out in the sun for the rest of the day. We will throw it on some sort of pole and we're gonna see how bright it is. All right, guys, so I clamped this. All you do, it comes with the bolts. You use a 10 millimeter wrench to hold it, and it comes with an Allen wrench. You just clamp it on. I got it on this PVC pipe. But it also comes with, like, if you want to mount it to like stucco, So or concrete or whatever. So that'll go in there. Pretty simple. Okay. Like I said, I know this thing is pretty janky, and I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna stick it up there tonight just to see how bright it is, and just to get a test, and then I will mount it the correct way later on. But I do not have my big ladder, so there's no way for me to get up there. It's the only way I know how, because I don't have a pole either. So I'm just gonna send it. All right, so when we come back, it'll be dark and we're gonna try it out. All right, all you cool cats and kittens, we are back at the Gringo Garage. It is nighttime. I let this thing charge, and even more, this thing's charged several days, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna carry it around on a pole, like walk around the old house here. It's I don't know, 10 o'clock at night. So we're gonna see how bright it gets. And I got my remote, so I'm gonna have my kid walk around and follow me, and let's check it out. All right, guys, so we're here, we got it on my pole. See, I'm gonna hold it up way up there. It's pretty sketch, but got my remote, so let's go ahead. We're gonna turn it on. There we go. So you initially have to turn the button on. So this is how bright it is. We're gonna go cool white. So now we got the cool white and the warm white. And we're gonna go to half power. We're gonna turn it down. Turn it up all the way. There's my brightness. Let's go walk around and see how bright it gets. Stay right there. So this is imitating a street light. Oh. So check out the yard. See how bright it is. Oh, I set it right here. That thing's wobbly. Alright, here we go. I'll show you how dark it is. Over here. There you go. Turn on the brightness. That's pretty good brightness. Alright. Let's go stand over there by the back. Over by the little thing over there. Okay. There we have it. And
Dad.
well, it looks up here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, it could be your backyard dance pole. Whatever you want. So, go ahead and stick it back over here. So anyways, guys, there you have it. That is the street light out back. Works pretty good. You know, it shines fairly bright up to about 20-30 feet. It seems like it's doing pretty well. I'm gonna mount that sucker way up higher on the roof. You know, it's gonna charge all day, gonna work all night, and it should be nice. And when the kids go out back to throw the old football around when it gets dark, shouldn't be a problem. And that little light up on top, I'll probably move that to the side of my house, and we'll just have a bunch of solar lights, you know, by this company everywhere, because they work so well. So let me know what you think on the video. Thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.